Is it time to buy or sell QQQ ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into QQQ. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 24th of February, 2025, our system has classified QQQ as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.1. Now let's examine the performance of the exchange-traded fund during this period. The ETF has seen a decline of negative 1.26%. This corresponds to an average daily loss of negative 0.63% since its designation as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is currently positioned at the lower end of a horizontal trend in the short term, which may indicate a favorable buying opportunity. However, if it breaks below the lower trend line at $510.12, this could signal a strong sell and suggest a shift in trend. Analyzing the current 3-month trend reveals a potential change of approximately 1.98% over this period, similar with projected returns ranging from 1.35% to 8.56%. In terms of a longer outlook, our 12-month analysis forecasts a change of around 23.25%. Based on these calculations, the stock's performance could vary between 17.82% and 29.93% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price between $604.79 and $666.96. Our latest daily update for QQQ includes the headline, QQQ ETF price down 1.26% on Tuesday. The QQQ ETF price decreased by 1.26% on the last day, which was Tuesday, the 25th of February, 2025, falling from $519.87 to $513.32. This marks a decline over the past 4 consecutive days. On the last trading day, the ETF experienced fluctuations of 1.94%, with a low of $509.44 and a high of $519.32. Throughout this period, the price has shown volatility, resulting in a loss of 2.97% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 10 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices, which may indicate an early warning signal, slightly increasing the risk over the next few days. In total, 48 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $24.7 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF reached $540.80, while the lowest price was $413.07. Currently, the price stands 5.08%, or $27.48, below the 52-week high of $540.80, which is also the all-time high for the ETF. In recent market news, QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust, has emerged as a favorite alongside a broader trend, drawing attention from investors as exchange-traded funds attracted nearly $29.5 billion last week alone. This movement reflects a strong appetite for equities, particularly in the technology sector, which QQQ heavily represents. With a recovery seen in tech stocks, QQQ is poised to benefit as the Nasdaq retests its all-time highs, bolstered by the ongoing artificial intelligence boom and innovations within its top holdings. Interestingly, comparisons between QQQ and other exchange-traded funds, like ARK, highlight a competitive landscape as ARK has shown signs of a rebound despite its struggles last year. As investor sentiment shifts, many are weighing QQQ against non-technology dividend stocks, which could influence asset allocations in the near term. Moreover, insights this week emphasize QQQ's status not only as a core technology investment, but also as a strong performer compared to traditional benchmarks, even outpacing notable figures like Warren Buffett in specific metrics. This can have implications for both short and long-term stock prices, as sustained interest in technology and artificial intelligence can further drive inflows into QQQ, stabilizing and potentially increasing its value. Investors will be keeping a close eye on these developments as they navigate a market experiencing significant rotation and technological advancements. The following signals have been identified for QQQ. Currently, there are few to no positive technical signals. The QQQ ETF is displaying sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook for the ETF. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at the levels of $530 and $523. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, February 19, 2025, and so far, the ETF has declined by approximately 4.86%. Further declines are suggested until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume increased despite falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the ETF more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal from 5 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 3 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 16 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, sell signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal from 115 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for QQ. QQ finds support from accumulated volume at $510.23. This level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. Overall, this exchange-traded fund tends to exhibit very controlled movements. With solid liquidity, the risk associated with this ETF is considered quite low. Over the last day, the ETF experienced a price movement of $9.88 between its high and low, which is a change of 1.94%. In the past week, the daily average volatility of the ETF has been 1.65%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for the Invesco QQQ Trust, let's briefly discuss some key fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio might indicate a subdued expectation for the company's future performance, or it could suggest that the exchange-traded fund is undervalued, signaling a possible buying opportunity. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for QQQ. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for QQQ is at $514.21. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, QQQ faces its first support level at $510.23. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is QQQ ETF a good buy? Currently, QQQ exhibits several negative signals and is situated within a downward trend, suggesting that it is likely to perform poorly in the upcoming days or weeks. Therefore, we maintain a pessimistic outlook on this ETF. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 26th of February, we anticipate that QQQ will open higher by approximately 70 cents, starting at $514.03. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be based solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We encourage you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.